Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this, which is the Victorinox Cybertool 34. We're all familiar with Swiss Army knives and Victorinox knives as well. There just doesn't seem to be very much in the way of information and videos regarding this particular knife on YouTube, so I thought I'd give you a quick rundown on my knife, my tool. And if you're in the market for getting one, you can see what they're all about. It's 5 layers, as you can see there, but it is very thick for a 5-layered tool, and I'll get on to showing you why it's so thick in a minute. I'll start off on the back side. Just to note, mine's got a pocket clip on there as well. That doesn't come with the tool. On the back you've got your reamer, as you can see there. We all get so much use out of them, I know. The ever-present hook. Other than carrying heavy shopping bags, I've no idea what that's for. Like that, no idea. It seems to me that this is a tool, if any, that should be removed and something else put on there. Anything else put on there would be more useful than this, in my opinion. And we've got the corkscrew, and inside the corkscrew there you can see the little screwdriver for glasses. If you happen to wear glasses, that's particularly useful. It does come in useful for other things as well. And also in there you've got a little pin, which, as this is a Cybertool, this is more of a 21st century army knife, so maybe for fixing computers, electronics, things like that. And that is actually for, on electronic devices, when you got the reset buttons and the reset buttons are recessed, that's for actually pressing the recessed reset button. That's a bit of a mouthful to say there. Stick that back in there. That just screws back in there. And obviously you've got, as standard with all, your tweezers. Flip it around the other side, you've got your toothpick. And not so common on most of the Swiss Army knives, you also have a pen, which, if you've got anything other than the smallest of child hands, it is very, very difficult to use, but a pen is better than no pen, I suppose. Stick that back in. Then if we go over onto the other side, we'll start off with this. You've got your small blade. You have your larger blade on the other side. Small, large. Just give you an idea on size. Both useful, both sharp, and I'm not sure what kind of steel it is that Victorinox use on their knives. But whatever it is, they've learnt to work with it, and it's fairly good, and it serves its purpose more than adequately. So I've no complaints there. One of the most useful tools is the scissors, in my opinion. Always come in handy. And something you don't see quite so often are the pliers. and there is a little cutter in there as well. Don't know if you can see that. Just in there, look. Which is more than useful. Then one of the more useful things on this tool is the screwdriver, which comes out to halfway and locks. That enables you to get a bit more torque when you're twisting something that might be a bit tougher, and then sort of snaps into place again at 180 degrees as well. I will say, I did say it locks into place in that middle bit. Nothing on here actually locks, so this is legal to carry in the UK, just in case you were wondering. Both blades are under 3 inches long on the cutting length as well. Now the thing that's brilliant about this screwdriver is the interchangeable bits, which you always need more than one bit with you. So that just snaps in there, and the other bits are kept, I don't know if you can see this little black bit there, just there, like that, inside, just in there, which is very handy. And you've got 3 other bits, all double-ended bits like that. So you've got a total of 8 bits when you count the 3 in there that are double-ended, the 1 in there that's double-ended. So that's very useful. And that is what takes up, really, I would say, double width, making it look like it should be 6 layers, but it's actually only 5. And then finally you've got your bottle opener and wire stripper there. This end does also double up as a wide flathead screwdriver if you need that. And you've got can opener. Again, the tip also doubles up as a flathead screwdriver. Not quite so wide as the bottle opener. As you can see, look, if I go like that. Not quite so wide, but both useful in their own way. And that, ladies and gents, is a quick overview of the Victorinox Cybertool 34. I hope it's been useful for you if you're considering buying one.